Guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Tan if you're new. In today's video we have a unit sent over from LuvMe Hair. Today's unit is this beautiful chocolate brown silky straight unit. They're offering this unit in 14 inches all the way down to 24 inches, and I'm pretty sure I got the 24 inch. This unit comes in 180% density, which is 30% more in comparison to LuvMe Hair's typical standard 150% density. They also offer this unit in two different caps, of a regular cap and then a drawstring cap, and I received the regular cap, although I wish it was the drawstring cap because I don't know, I just love me a good old drawstring cap unit. Speaking of the cap construction for this unit comes with 3 combs in total, 1 in the back, 2 in the front with 1 on each side. It also comes with adjustable straps here in the back, and it also comes with a security band that you can attach and adjust if you choose to do so. When it comes to the lace space for this unit, it is a 13 by 4, meaning you are going to get 13 inches going across the front and then 4 inches going straight back for the parting space. The lace for this unit does come pre-cut, pre-plucked, and pre-bleached, which now that I sit back and think about it, I think it's been a while since I've had to actually cut some lace off of a LuvMe hair unit. Like,
Personally, I'm surprised you call me after the I said, skirt on niggas, skirt up on niggas, skirt down, you acting like me, was it more than just some more flick? I said it well, you took it well, you promised I won't cry, I spill milk. Give me a paper towel, you know the valve, you know the hour too. Why you bother me when you know you don't want me? Why you bother me when you know you don't want me? Why you hit me?
okay, so let's go ahead and talk about this unit from LuvMe Hair. I typically like to do pros and cons of a unit, and I like to start off with my cons first, so you know we can end on a positive note with the pros. But with this particular unit, I have no cons whatsoever. If I just had to have one con, it would be that I am getting a little bit of shedding, but keep in mind I did cut up into the lace, you know, so it could go over my ear and whatnot, so that could be where the shedding is coming from. So again, I don't really have any cons for this unit. So with that being said, let's go ahead and talk about my pros for this unit. To start off, the color. This chocolate brown is so pretty to me. I'm not gonna lie, at first I was getting a little bit nervous, thinking it might not mesh very well with my skin tone, but now that it's on, my makeup is done, I think it is so pretty. To me, it almost looks like there's a slight red undertone to the chocolate brown, but then again, it could also be like all of the lights, and then it also could be my eyesight, and let's be real, that's not the best. Regardless of what it is, it's still so pretty. Another pro for this unit is the density. Like I mentioned earlier in the video, this is 180% density in comparison to LuvMe Hair's standard 150% density, and I feel like you can tell. One thing about it, 2 things for sure, whenever it comes to a silky straight unit, especially a silky straight long unit, if it's 150% density, 9 times out of 10 it's going to feel on the thinner side. This one, in my personal opinion, feels like a nice healthy everyday density, if you know what I mean. I feel like I would be comfortable wearing this unit year round. I don't know about y'all, but for me, whenever it's the spring and summertime, typically I don't really like to wear longer units because, you know, it's hot. The units can start to like stick to you, like sweating and whatnot. Y'all get what I'm saying. With this unit, again, I feel like I would be comfortable and okay with wearing it throughout the year. Plus, again, going back to the color of the unit, think about this unit with like either a baby blue or a yellow, a butter yellow like top or dress. That'd be so pretty. Like, now I need a butter yellow dress. Another pro about this unit is, of course, the lace. I love how she came pre-cut, pre-plucked, and pre-bleached. And then, of course, it's melting flawlessly like always when it comes to LuvMe Hair's lace. My last pro about this unit is going to be how it feels. Yes, again, this unit is a silky straight unit, and most silky straight units do feel soft, but they also kind of feel like, what is it, Barbie doll soft, if you will. This unit just feels like good quality hair soft. Actually, I do have one more pro for this unit, and that would be that she is big head friendly. I have a little bit of extra room in the back to where I could go in and adjust those adjustable straps. Of course, I'm not going to do that right now because the unit is already on my head. But when I go to wear this unit again, I'll make sure to adjust those straps. So I don't know about you, but I love to hear it when it is big head friendly. So yeah, if you all find that you like this unit and you want to pick her up, feel free to use my discount code TANWilliams. That'll save you 28% off of their entire website. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel before you leave, and also make sure you click the bell. That way you're notified anytime that I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. They are both at TANWilliams_XO. I'll also make sure to have them linked down in the description box below. But yeah, other than that, oh yeah, I don't know if I just said this. I'm having a brain fart. Ooh, bless it. I'll also make sure to have a direct link to this unit down in the description box as well. Did I already say that? I probably did. Girl, let me go eat something. I don't have anything else to say to you all except for I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.